So this is my workshop as it is at the moment, and this is just the start of me drying my flowers. Here we are. As you can see, I've got stuff hanging all over the place, but this isn't all of it. I've got bits down there. And I haven't even cleaned up from making my wreath last night. There's Max the cat. Hello, Max. Maxie. Then we've got through this part here. I've got all stuff hanging through there. It's ridiculous, really. Things hanging up here. But then go through here, and I have stuff on these little racks here, poppies of all sorts. But then I've got all of these over here. So far, this is what I've got. There's 3 rows started here, all hanging up here. I'm here. I'm just doing a video. He fed the hedgehog and fleed it. And then I've got loads of nigella down here. And I haven't hardly harvested anything yet out of the field. And all my helichrysums are all hanging up in the kitchen. So that's just a taster of what I've got this year to start with. Now I've got to go out and get some blooming cutting done.